The B-21 Raider represents the next evolution of global strike capability, designed to penetrate the most heavily contested airspace.
If we adjust the wing structure here, we improve the lift coefficient.
But what about the heat signature?
If we integrate the new composite, we
The stress concentration right here is lower than expected.
That aligns with the new curing parameters we implemented last week.
Stealth coatings absorb incoming radar energy, converting it into heat, which quickly dissipates.
Okay, coming down slowly. How's the alignment?
We are green on the starboard laser, but the port side needs 2 millimeters left.
The scan data confirms the tolerances.
Good, let's prep for the next stage of the fuselage integration.
Alignment holding steady at 0.01 degrees.
Confirmed. Proceed with final seating sequence.
As you can see, the exhaust plumes are quickly neutralized, maintaining the aircraft's low observable profile.
The turbulence model is showing unexpected separation here.
Yes, and the pressure coefficient is spiking. Adjust the angle of attack by 0.5 degree.
Pressure levels are spiking in Chamber 3.
Acknowledge. Rerouting coolant now.
We have an overheat alarm on the main manifold.
The pressure holds steady at 5,000 psi on the primary strut.
Check the thermal readings on the inboard actuator.
All parameters are green for the extension test.
Excellent. The gear performed flawlessly. We can sign off on this phase.
A monumental achievement realized. The B-21 stands ready for final inspections before its grand rollout.
All systems are reading green for rollout.
Affirmative on the landing gear, ma'am.
If we optimize the loop here, we might resolve the bottleneck.
Rerunning the diagnostic. The vulnerability is patched.
Ladies and gentlemen, the future of deterrence, the Raider is here!
Pressure differential holding steady at 2.5.
Copy that. No anomalies on the thermal scan.
Okay, engineering gives us a go. Finalizing pre-flight.
The primary sensor array is showing a minor anomaly on the starboard wing.
Running the auxiliary scan now. The robotics arm guidance is stable.
Is the data stream confirming the payload release altitude?
Yes, General.
All parameters are nominal.
After all these years, she's finally ready.
A true marvel of engineering.
We pushed the boundaries on this one.
B-21 Raider. The future has arrived.